I would certainly like you to imagine that you can earn money simply by reading text. So in this video, I will show you how to make $200 and up to $1,000 by reading words online. You might be asking why you must watch this video. Well, first of all, it's entirely free and working. Secondly, you will learn everything you need to get started. And lastly, you will discover how much money you can make and how simple it is. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on setting up this great earning stream. So make sure to pay attention to every second of this video because I will give some tips and tricks that you can make use of with this method to maximize your earnings. This method is 100% free and you don't need any credit cards or online banking accounts to start making money with this method. Also, it works worldwide. So, no matter where you are watching from, you will undoubtedly utilize what I will show you today. But before I get to the entire step-by-step tutorial, look at this and see how much money you can make. But before we start, welcome to our channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. I'm excited and thanks to the technique, you will get to earn a lot of money for reading words and I will show you exactly how it works. You don't need any experience, technical skills or certificates. Considering this, $1,000 for 14 to 16 minutes worth of work is simply on the low end. As you can see right here, if you divide $1,000 by 60 minutes, that's nearly $16 per minute, which is fantastic. So imagine how much money you can make if you follow the same strategy. You must watch the video all the way through because I will show you a few strategies and tips on signing up, getting accepted and making a lot of money. So firstly, I want you to open your browser, click the address bar and type in voices.com where you can see something like this. This website has been featured on Microsoft, Shopify, Discovery Channel, GoDaddy and many other massive brands and companies that pay out people daily. You will receive all payments via PayPal, bank account or a variety of different choices depending on which country you are from. So basically, they will provide you with a bunch of different projects from different categories on this website. I will show you which category you need to choose and it looks like this. Once you select your project, they will send you the script, the templates, the book and the words that you will be reading word for word. You need to record your voice and they will pay you based on how long the project lasts. So you can do it in 20 minutes, 1 hour or 15 minutes. There are infinite jobs available. There are many jobs available on this platform as there are numerous websites where you may accomplish some jobs. Yet others are inconsistent on voices.com. This is because there are so many categories, so many jobs you can select even if you have 5 minutes and don't have a great deal of time. So possibly you have 10 or 15 minutes per day. You can still select jobs that you can complete and you can easily earn a great deal of money. The question that I keep getting asked is, what if I don't have a microphone? Well, don't worry because all you need to have are some basic earbuds or even your phone. You can use your iPhone or Android phone to record your voice and it works great. You don't need to show your face. They will only use your voice in an ebook, an audiobook, on television or in their videos. They merely want to recruit people like you to record audio. You don't have to write anything. All you have to do is read out each of the books and screenplays that they provide you. So let's return to the website and I will show you how to sign up and exactly how to become accepted and verified. I will also show you how to select the ideal project to pay you the most money, apply for different jobs and get paid after seeing this video. So for the first step, I want you to hover your cursor over the sign up button in the top right hand corner. When you click on it, you will be taken to this page where you can sign up for free. So there are options right here. In that case, we will become a voice actors. So choose this option and fill in the details they are asking for like the name, the password, the email and more. So check these boxes. After that, click the Get Started button and that's all you need to do to sign up. So if you sign up for a free account, you will see a variety of jobs on your dashboard after you log in. As you can see here, there are numerous categories that you are viewing right now. I would certainly like to show you which types have the most openings and have the most payouts. But before we get into that point, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button, share the video with your friends and family, and leave your country's name in the comments below. The first category you should choose is audiobooks, which will undoubtedly provide you a lot of money. The second one is explainer videos, which will certainly also give you a lot of money. And the last but not least of the category is video games, which offer you a lot of money. So I want you to concentrate simply on ebooks, explainer videos and video games, because these are the top 3 categories with the most jobs and pay the most money with the least amount of effort. So if we choose audiobooks, you will be taken to a web page where you can see the different people who work in this category and make a lot of money. As you can see, people from all around the world are doing this job. Now you can see that they welcome people with various languages from globally in the language area. So no matter where you are from, there are so many employment opportunities on this website. Now you can start reading script on voices.com. So if you want to make even more money, you need to choose work that lasts at least 60 minutes. So I would like to show you a few of the available career prospects for the time being. After you log in, as you can see right here, there is plenty of work that you can apply for. Let me scroll down, and this is the number of tasks and possibilities that you can select from every day. As you can see, this category pays significantly far better than others. Usually, when you get work from audiobooks, they will provide you a script. All you have to do is read it and record it using your phone, and you will get paid for doing that. Also, the second most popular genre is video games, and this is an example of a script under video games. As you can see, they will show you who the customer is and all the required details for the work. They will tell you what type of voice actor they are looking for, who you will undoubtedly be playing as a character, and all the other vital elements for the job. These are some examples of the script that they will send you. All you need to do is read it out loud, and you will certainly be paid for it. If you download their app from Google Play or the App Store, it will look something like this. You will utilize voices, and the logo should look something like this. You can get this app for free, and you can start working now. So better start soon, because it's never too late. And that's bring us to the end of this video. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, press the like button, share it with your friends and family, and comment down below on how much money you earn using this strategy. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.